Doesn't it make you sad too? Like this garbage, and there's more in the ocean there. What are we doing to the world, eh? What's happening? But the sadness that I feel, I'm actually not stopping this recording. And there will probably not be many left when I really allow this that makes me feel very silent now. Like, if I really allow this in, like, it's just, what the fuck are we doing? It's just, what the fuck are we doing? And I could only do such a thing. Like, I cannot right now because I'm very close to myself, by lack of better words. But it's like almost all of humanity is just so far away from themselves that they do stuff like that. And with that, I say, I'm so glad that I'm bringing Ready into the world, because Ready provides a mirror for those who use it, at least for those who use it, that shows them what they're not yet clearly seeing about their lives and where they are far away from themselves. And the closer we get to ourselves, the closer we get to treating the world better, because that's part of us. Yeah. So I'm glad that I'm doing this and I'm bringing this into the world, even though it's free and even though I don't know what that's financially going to do in my world and all of that. Fuck that. This is the path.